Hey guys, today I'm going to be making a taste testing video. I've got three things. I've got some rice, some steak potato-y thingy, I don't know, and then this cookie. It's called sea salt treasure cookies. So, yeah, let's get into it. So first I'm gonna try the rice. It doesn't have any sauces or anything on it, so it's just bland old rice. Very sticky. Very bland. Like, there's no flavor. It's just this mush that's like sticking on your throat as it's going down. And it's just, it needs something with it. Or like a sauce or something. Now for the potato-y stuff. One second. So, let me just cut some of that steak, because this steak is huge steak chunks. One sec. Okay. Got some steak. I have to say the steak's actually really good. Time to taste some potato-y stuff. Here, I'll show you what it looks like. It's like a potato-y mush. That's pretty good, actually. Kinda tastes like potato salad, you know? And finally, we shall taste test Gallup Coffee and Bakehouse Sea Salt Treasure Cookies. And it says the ingredients right here. Flour, baking soda, sea salt, butter, sugar, eggs, vanilla, and chocolate chips. Yeah, it's sea salt, so we're gonna taste a bit of saltiness. I need a palate cleanser because all I can taste is that potato salad stuff. Like, I can taste no cookie because of the potato-y stuff. So, as a palate cleanser, we shall take some more bland rice that sticks to your throat. Sorry for that. I know some people that hate when people are so loud with that kind of chewing stuff. But sometimes you just need to. Now let's actually try it. My god. That's actually really good. At the start, it's like salty, but as it goes, you can taste the chocolate and like the cookie. You still taste the salt, but the salt kind of adds on to the chocolate and the cookie area, so it's actually really good compared to what you would think it would be, considering it's called sea salt treasure cookies. That's all I really have to taste test. Wait, I think I can do one thing. Sparkling ice. She's the most cultured woman in the world. She doesn't drink sparkling water. She drinks sparkling ice. So basically what this is, it's a 0-calorie drink, and it tastes like lemonade but with fizz and stuff. And it's actually really supposed to be healthy for you. Like, there's no grams of sugar or anything. It's got 50 grams of green tea extract, 10% vitamin D, 10% vitamin B3, 10% vitamin B6, 10% vitamin B12, 10% biotin, and 10% vitamin B5. Yeah. No, I'm not advertising for these guys, but I wish I could. Wish I was that high up of a channel that I could get sponsored videos and stuff. And let's just enjoy. I'm honestly not going to tell you how this tastes because it's kind of hard to describe the taste when you've tasted it so many times before. As I said, it's just like lemonade, but it's fizzy. See that? See that foam? Sorry the lighting's bad. It's 6:22 where I am. So, you know, it's gotta be a bit darker. The only lighting I have in my room is the 2 windows on my side and the light emanating from my not from my webcam, from my computer. I call it my webcam because it's my little computer camera. Well, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. I honestly don't care what you do. Just please do something. I'm so lonely. See you guys.